Okay, here we have yet another example of a TDA prompt. And here we go. In this particular one, let's take a look again. We see write an essay. And of course, by this point, you know it means this is what you have to do. This is what you're going to do. Then we're going to see that we have to analyze how something's going to work or to happen or to think or to do something. But we're going to write that note thinking skill here just as a quick little reminder. And it's going to tell us that we're going to analyze how both passages show a statement to be true. Okay. So this one here is saying analyze how both passages, show the statement to be true. So this is screaming at you. It's saying both passages, both passage 1 and passage 2, you have to prove that they both are saying the statement is true. Prove it, okay? So let's see. So how I would organize this one is I would take the statement, and I'm just going to circle it because it's already here. Let's not rewrite that one, but there's my statement, okay? So I have that on my paper somewhere. And then I would say, all right, I've got to collect ways that passage 1 shows the statement to be true. Okay, and then on this side, gee, what do you think I'm going to put there? Ways that passage 2 shows the statement to be true. Okay, so, but this one is saying, analyzing how both of them show that. So as you're reading, you could use a little P1 for your little marker for your passages and P2 while you're reading, to note that that's a sentence or a phrase you want to use as you're capturing sentences in your passages. But what you want to do is you want to go through, and as you see a phrase in passage 1, go ahead and write it down. And as you see a phrase in passage 2, go ahead and write it down. It's not going to be that many of them in an essay for a test like this one. It's not like you're doing a big research paper or something. So it's, go ahead and write them down. Get it on paper so you don't have to worry about it. And then do the same for passage 2. Write them down. Because what you've got to say is, in your introduction, you're going to be saying something like, both passages show this statement to be true. And you've got to tell people how both passages show this statement to be true. So you've got to have examples that they both do show it. Okay? And that's how I think I would set that one up. That one's an easy setup. Very easy setup, I think, anyway. Of course, if this is brand new for you, that can be a very hard one, and that's okay, because you're going to get good at this. It's practice. It's just practice. Okay. Okay. See you on the next one. Good job again.